afternoon, YouTube. Don't worry, this is not a video about watering your stinging nettle. I wanted to start with the stinging nettle on this video, even though that's not what this video is about, because we harvested our garlic today, and the garden update video I said that the two stinging nettles down at that end of the bed I would be transplanting over here. So I've transplanted the big one there and the smaller one over there. I'm just making sure the transplants have enough water to survive the transplant shock. And I wanted to mention that we made a new discovery today, at least new to us. The roots of stinging nettle sting the same way as the stems and leaves do. Not a big thing for me because I'm really not affected by it. I don't care. I'll weed the bed. I'll transplant the stuff, though I wouldn't suggest it for anyone else. But I forgot, and I accidentally replaced my divot after pulling a couple of very large lamb's quarters out, and I had to reach in to scoop out space for the larger transplant, and Tora held it by the root ball for me and got stung by the roots. So if you're thinking about keeping a stinging nettle bed, keep that in mind. So, garlic bed, totally harvested. We also got out a self-sown columbine and a self-sown white oak. Down here at Tora's feet are our 4 buckets of harvested garlic, one bucket of harvested multiplier onions that did not multiply, but did in fact survive having been in the ground over winter. We also, I mentioned that I was going to plant up the, actually I think I said I was going to leave them in, the garlic that had the indicator scapes on them, but I decided that I wanted to put them in a planter all by themselves. Demonstrative photo sequence. Now I've got a tomato cage around them there just to hold them upright while the sand and manure that they're in stabilizes. We also collected, is that 4 bags, babe?
3.5.
3.5 bags of straw mulch. that will be reapplied to whatever bed becomes our garlic bed this fall. And this bed is ready to get planted in turnips tomorrow. We plant primarily Tokyo Market turnips. It's an all-white turnip that is usually harvested at radish size. We actually prefer ours to go a little bit larger than that. And we're going to put in, I think, a row of purple top as well, just because somebody gave us a package of seeds. So that is the garlic harvest video for 2021. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.